There was a buy. Boom. This was trade. This at 29 contract. I ain't give. See that? I ain't get filled all the way, man. Salty. No, I'm not salty. It's just like I'm learning how the fields work. So this was, I guess that's five fields, five contract field. So that's a partial field. So I can't scale up, y'all. Can't scale up because I still gotta do. I gotta. Um, you know what? I got a question. So if I got filled with five contracts, should I lower my contracts? Because I'm at 29 contracts. So should I just lower my contracts to 24 contracts for the rest of my fields, then scale up to the 36 contracts? I don't know.